Okay guys, I'm making a video on this printer. I had this printer for so long. I'm thinking probably 10 years. I love this printer, I tell you. Love it, love it, love it. But recently, lots of headaches, right? I can't figure out what the problem is. I'm going to show you guys really quick some of the things that I did. So starting off with is the printing. The printing looks horrible. And I've been trying to solve it. So I always use original Canon ink, but as of today, I went with this Amazon, whatever you call it, aftermarket. So these last two have been replaced, and the rest are still the Canon original. But I'm gonna tell you what my dilemma is, and also another thing that I did is I pulled out all the ink and moved this tray forward and remove the print head. I cleaned the print head really good, dipped into some solution so the print head is nice and clean. I use air to spray into the holes to make sure that that is good. So the print head has been cleaned. The printer itself should be good, but the ink has been the issue. So we're gonna leave it open. We're gonna go over to the ink that I have here. So this ink box here is literally new. I just got it like a few days ago, but I feel like something was wrong with it, and here could be the problem too, right? Even though the box, everything looks fine, I don't see a date anywhere. I'm not sure if it's supposed to have a date, but I purchased this from eBay. Even though, like I said, the box, everything looks brand new, no date. I feel like something is wrong with this particular ink. Like it took too long, because when I shake them, I don't hear nothing. I'm not sure if that is normal, but I feel like the reason I'm having issues because these original ink, which I already removed the black, I replaced yellow, so all of these I just pulled them out after I put them in because of my print quality was garbage. And as you can see, the new ones that I just replaced, now the printing is looking better, right? So I think I'm gonna continue to replace the rest, even though if I look at the printer, it's telling me that like black, for instance, is full, the other black is almost done. So these original colors are having issues, and I think it's because it came from this box here. So I'm gonna go with this aftermarket. So far, the two aftermarkets that I just put seems to be working. So we're gonna go ahead and replace the other ones until I get my printing to look right. So what I'm trying to say is, sometimes the ink you're buying, even if it's original, sometimes it could be having problems. It could be dry, or God knows what happened, and your printer quality will look horrible, and you're thinking something is wrong with the printer when it could just be the ink. So we're gonna go ahead and swap the other inks until we get the printing to look right. Okay, so I just did the PG black right now, and we're gonna leave the yellow and the black that's original. We're gonna leave that in there as we continue to test. So let's go ahead and go print something. Again, we're gonna print the same thing. Also too, these type of ink, when you add it, it takes a little longer for the machine to recognize it. Okay, so it's ready. Okay, now we're gonna hit print, and let's see if we get any difference. So before, the black color was missing. So let's see if black is back to normal. This is crazy, but I saw this on Amazon and had very good reviews, right? So for that reason, I'm giving it a shot. In the past, I always forbid getting these type of aftermarket inks, even though they're like super cheap. I felt like they always ruin the printer. But this time, because of the issues that I'm having with the original, and then I don't care. I'm ready to buy a new printer. But before I buy the new printer, I'm like, let me just give this a shot. This was very cheap. So let's see what we get. Okay, here it goes. The print is coming out. Wow, look at the black. Look at the difference. Yep. big freaking difference, and I'm really upset that the fact that I put this in and it did not last as long as. So that's another thing to take into account, that even though it's brand new and the printer or the computer may tell you that it still has toner or ink, it's not telling you to replace it. But anytime you're seeing printing issues, that means freaking replace it, man. Just throw it out. So I'm learning from this. So the rest of the ink, what we have right now, actually, yeah. So I'm gonna leave the rest alone. I'm not even gonna mess with it. I'm not gonna mess with it. So the other ink that I have in there, as I see the quality starting to get bad, I'm gonna replace it. But for now, this is great, and this is working well. So you could say this is a review for this Easy Ink from Amazon. It's working good so far, and we're gonna keep an eye on it. But it's so cheap that I don't mind buying 2-3 of these boxes. That's way cheaper than this. As we all know, this is super expensive. So even if the other one doesn't last longer, but it's cheaper, I'll probably get 2 or 3 boxes for the price of one. So guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And let me know if you have any questions or concerns.